All right, we're here today in the Somerby development in Byron, Minnesota. We got this beautiful house. It's time to do a landscape refresh. We're gonna be replacing the entire concrete driveway with Unilock Rich Cliff. It's gonna look fantastic. It's got their easy clean on there. Great looking paver. Like I said, all the landscaping's coming out. Uh, all these little shrub, landscape rock, vinyl edging, all gonna be gone. They just redid the house last year. Looks awesome. They've got, like I said, it's definitely past its prime. So retaining walls are gonna be going. You're gonna have a county material tribute smooth coming in to replace these, really give them a more modern, updated look. As you can see, these walls are starting to fail, most likely due to no geogrid in the wall as well as improper backfill. Is gonna be the most common thing. Also, all the downspouts are going to be buried, so all that water is going to kick out in a way, which will help future walls, um, even built properly, help them last longer. So all this is coming out. We'll have stairs coming down the hill. This will be Unilock Beacon Hill Smooth patio down here. Nice big space, make it super usable. Whole lawn getting cut out and replaced. New irrigation system, new sod going in. Again, a couple downspouts here getting buried. And then as we come around this side of the house, we'll have some edging put in along the arborvitae trees, as well as replacing these retaining walls. So these are definitely past their prime, definitely starting to lean, tipping towards the house, starting to separate. Definitely time to update. So really good separation there. So yeah, as we wrap around the front, this wall shape is going to change a little bit. It's going to come out farther from the house. There'll be a small sitting area up front, as well as there'll be a trellis up by the house. So kind of cover that blank section on the house. So yeah. Front porch will be clean and sealed. Give that a cleaned up look to it. And then the concrete front walkway is also going to be replaced with Unilock Rich Cliff.